Wipe chrome fixtures with care and a clear method to keep them shiny and streak-free. Start by removing surface grime with a disinfectant wipe or a cloth dampened with an EPA-approved disinfectant, working in small sections and rinsing the cloth often to avoid dragging residue. For water spots and mineral buildup, mix equal parts white vinegar and warm water, apply with a spray bottle or cloth, let sit for 1 to 2 minutes to dissolve deposits, then rub gently with a soft cloth and rinse with clean water. After any wet cleaning step, immediately buff with a dry microfiber cloth, using circular motions to lift remaining moisture and restore shine. Microfiber traps oils and prevents streaks better than cotton. For persistent cloudiness, use a paste of baking soda and water applied gently with a soft toothbrush to crevices, then rinse thoroughly and dry. Avoid abrasive pads or powders that can scratch and dull chrome surfaces, and do not use bleach on polished chrome because it can damage finish over time. Establish a simple routine of wiping fixtures after each busy shift and performing a deeper vinegar treatment weekly to prevent buildup and reduce the need for heavy scrubbing. Common mistakes include leaving cleaning solution to air dry, which can leave streaks and spots, so always rinse and dry immediately. Another issue is using rough scrubbers or harsh powders that create microscopic scratches and make future cleaning harder, so switch to soft cloths and non-abrasive cleaners. People also skip the final dry buff and assume a rinse is enough, which allows water films to evaporate into streaks, so always finish with a dry microfiber buff for an instant polished look. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work, making the connection simple. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we and users share tips, ask questions, and swap proven cleaning and maintenance techniques.